There's Annabelle watching TV. That's how she's choosing to watch it.
Anybody or what? Yeah.
I love that her mouth is kind of open.
Good job, Steve.
She's engrossed. What are you watching, Annabelle?
Mom, I don't have to do that whenever we do it.
Okay, Annabelle, what are you watching? What are you watching? Don't put the lens on. Don't get the lens dirty. What are you watching?
Don't have to do it every time we do it. Now turn this off.
Did you get some half and half for me?
All right, say goodbye.